Today I have 5 updates for you. Welcome or welcome back to Artsy Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. I'm Artsy, and this is our development series where we focus on developments taking place in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and across the world. We meet here every Sunday at 11 a.m. Plus, I do bonus videos within the week. If you're interested in these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button, share, comments, and subscribe. Now let's get into it. One of our viewers, Garfield, reached out for an update on the ongoing construction of the Western Children and Adolescents Hospital right here in Mount Salem, Montego Bay, Jamaica. Now, I decided to stop by today to see the progress and bring you a video update. Unfortunately, I didn't gather any additional details, but you can compare this footage with the last one to track the changes. This is actually across from the Western Children's and Adolescents Hospital. And of course, I couldn't resist capturing some shots of the Cornwall Regional Hospital rehabilitation. I recall reading an article mentioning a planned phase reopening, but after inquiring today, it doesn't seem as if it's open to the public yet. On a side note, the Harbour City Shopping Centre remains closed to the public as well. Maybe they'll be open sometime next week. I will check for you guys and let you know. Number 2. World Wetlands Day was marked by the Montego Bay Marine Park on Saturday, February 3rd. They organized a cleanup activity along Freeport Road near the Houseboat Restaurant. Of course, once I get more details about the project, I will let you know as well. Number 3, I also swung by the Westgate Hills area to see what's happening on this side. You know that we have two projects that we're tracking. Now, I haven't pinned down precisely what's under construction here. Once I uncover details, you'll be the first to know. I can't help but wondering if it's going to be a shopping mall. I've heard a few people saying that, but everybody is just guessing. Do you have any guesses? Feel free to share in the comments or spill the beans if you have insider information. Number 4. Now let's take a closer look at the building over there across the street. This other side now, you can see that blue building across the road. Now, according to a reliable source last year, Barnett Limited is behind its construction. I don't have any information as yet on the construction company. Now, word has it that the investors can acquire different lots, a concept similar to what's happening at the Barnett Tech Park. I'll need to verify this with their office though. Now, one change I've observed so far is that no, it's painted, unlike the last time we visited. Professional warehouse complex, 4 units, 3,600 square feet. Okay, see, they fenced another area over there, so that looks like another unit. I don't know, or if the 4 units are over this side. Number 5. Initially, I planned to visit the construction site at the intersection of West Green Avenue and Dr. Marker Brown Road. In my last visit in December, check out this video for reference, I was impressed by the progress because in my first visit, it seems as if they were just working on the foundation mainly. And then when I came back, building put up. Now, there is even more work done. However, I heard a rumor that a bit past Vista Print, you could catch a glimpse of the highway construction. So, that naturally, I had to take a ride and explore that area, and I did. So this is a little bit past Barnett Limited. I'm seeing some construction here on both sides of the road over this side and over this side. Now, due to this detour, I missed the opportunity to stop by the other site I mentioned earlier. Nevertheless, I attempted to capture some footage as the taxi drove by. My apologies in advance. I'm using a different phone without super steady, so the footage might be a bit shaky. Still, I had to offer you guys a sneak peek.